Hey, sneaker fan. Welcome back to Spotlight's RERPs. Today, we've got something special for you, an exclusive unboxing and detailed review of the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. I know you've been waiting for this, so let's dive right in. Unboxing. Alright, let's crack open the box and see what we've got inside. Cue suspenseful music. Bam! There they are, the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. The packaging alone is sleek, but the real magic happens when you open it up. The craftsmanship is top-notch, as expected from Jordan brand. Design and materials. Now, let's talk details. The black canvas design is clean and sophisticated. The canvas upper gives it a unique texture that sets it apart from other releases. The iconic Jumpman logo on the heel and tongue adds that classic touch we all love. These kicks are not just sneakers, they're a statement. Comfort and fit. Slipping into these bad boys feels like stepping on clouds. The cushioning is on point, providing the comfort you need whether you're hitting the streets or just flexing on Instagram. The fit is true to size, giving your feet that snug feel without sacrificing style. Performance. Whether you're shooting hoops or just strolling around, the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas has got you covered. The traction is solid, ensuring you stay steady on any surface. One thing I love about these kicks is their versatility. From casual streetwear to a more dressed-up vibe, the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas can handle it all. It's not just a sneaker, it's a fashion statement that adapts to your style. Conclusion. The Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. A perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance. If you want to up your sneaker game, these are a must-have. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about these kicks. Until next time, stay fresh, stay stylish. Spotlight's RERPs, signing out.